Baby, I just want you. Today's makeup painting is for reference. Beautiful woman, the whole painting is Korean, smoky, and a little depressed. I think it's still. It's wonderful, let's try it together. Change this cotton sheet, wipe your face on it first, and then choose another one. A suitable eye bead. I think his base makeup is a little pore soluble. Then it reveals the natural luster of the skin. If you want a foundation, use this bottle of flat pore essence and foundation. It's delicate. The cream texture is smeared on the face with my hands. In fact, I think I wear a mask every time I use that high concealer foundation. But with that special moisturizing one, I feel that the concealer is not enough, but this bottle is really... They are all just right. Take a look at what defects the pores disappear directly, and the makeup effect is soft focus and polished. At the same time, there is also makeup. Very natural gloss. It's really beautiful. Makeup day. The gas is not hot. My nose will like oil a little bit. If I use it, it will be clean all day and will not be dull. I really like the base makeup. Are you satisfied with buying a facelift or using this facelift pen? Nose. If you draw a bad, you will refer to his. You don't live here, you deepen it for him. Yamane here, let's draw a C and add our eye sockets to this place. Big bowl here, we tie him. Come one by one. Here's the mandibular line, we'll fix it a little bit to eliminate a swelling and make the whole face look like. Not so big white cake face side shadow looking around. Crook to give him a dizzy meeting. More natural. I want to apply that matte lip glaze later and then go out and apply a wave of lip balm and blush. The puff is dipped like this. On top, and then use this orange blush liquid. Giant side brush takes powder like this. The importance of deepening in all of us or in this. A little bit from the bridge of the nose. Down. Bar and forehead. This piece also. We can light up the replenishment we made before throwing it on the ground. This only needs a little bit. With nasolabial folds. Sleep here, we control it. Nose. The head is tattooed to brighten. I like to put the brightening on the facelift. After the blush, it feels like it has a facelift effect. Compare the face here really. If it is much cleaner, it will follow up with that kind of luster. You only use that kind of highlight to grind the mud. Mom, we choose this. Bar. Messy is still relatively straight throughout the game, I see May. Who should I throw this seedling with? Each orange-brown eyebrow dye cream is whole. This eye makeup has a slightly pink tone. We will use this one a few times until... Do you think this atmosphere color can be seen? Just come. Fascinate the eyes and pour aegyo sal for a small brush. Dip this one. Fan of this step. The circumference is a little smaller. Just deepen it inside and outside our double eyelid folds and dip a smaller and flatter brush into this one. The color is attached to the root of your eyelashes. Sample deepening. There is a print on the root edge of the outer handle. Dip the brush of the word into these two colors and open your eyes again. I'll draw the eyeliner first, and then I'll determine the position of this lower limb. Set this. The one is a black sticker. At the root of the eyelashes, you can deepen it by pressing. The face is first down and then pursed. Pull out. Don't pick, don't. Pick. If I draw like this, you should be able to see the trend of the eyeliner first. Down and then pull it out flat. And still more cautious if I draw it down. Choose medium brown carefully, then change to a fluffy brush from the eyes. The second half of the ball starts to go up to our upper eye. The threads are joined together in a matte beige color. Stop for a while, hug the end of your eyes, and then come to draw. One open. Now with aegyo saliva, his aegyo saliva is still a little pink, use it. This one. I didn't look carefully myself. His eye is still a little bigger here, that brown feeling, and then use it again. A brown eyeliner. Glue pen micro give. He takes a cut. Damn it, I don't think it's fluffy enough to use it again. This is a bit spectacular. A wonderful little aegyo saliva. Again, the tip of the eyelashes, the lower eyelashes here. Let's stick it on top of our real eyelashes. I got his eyes and he bit the bottom of it. Go for dark eyeshadow. In this way, the overall soft mist will be stronger and then we will deepen it. For a facelift, use this pressing method. From the root, it is also pressed. From the root, this piece feels brightened, especially obvious, a little bit of nose. Head sideways to brighten your head. Let me highlight that. Let's get some car highlights. Hello. I'm coming from the top. Click to deepen this texture of myself and move me here. Take one. Use a pencil to outline the lip shape, because Korean lip makeup is that kind. The boundaries are blurry. Kind of. But this is only a little bottom line. Let's stack and push. I folded a slightly brighter color that doesn't look as dull, and then we folded the blush again. Go job, no more you.